You are disappointed in how that went?
Well,
Then you didn't find that as adventurous as you thought it would be?
No, it wasn't that terrifying.
See, I thought it was actually a little quicker than what I thought it was going to be.
Faster?
Yeah. Well, I was watching some of them go down there and it looked kind of slow.
I didn't do the brakes, so.
I mean, you didn't do them at all.
No.
You never once touched the brakes. I think you did.
No.
I was recording you when I
And it made some weird noise.
I saw sparks at one point in time from brakes applying.
You didn't stop it.
The red light, your red brake light came on, and then sparks.
There's no red brake lights.
There is.
No, there's not.
Did you not see that? There is so?
No.
Yeah? I'm going to show it to you.
This is more work than that.
There's one light that comes on when you put the brakes on.
No. Look,
Yeah?
the light's on the whole time.
What? What light?
The red light.
They got their brakes on the whole time.